In this video, you'll learn how to install and configure the Digital River app for Salesforce B2B commerce. Installing the Digital River app unlocks a valuable global payments and risk mitigation solution. In addition to providing localized payment processing, it also manages fraud, taxes, and regulatory compliance on your behalf. The buyer experience is completely powered by Salesforce B2B commerce. This includes page layout, product visuals, descriptions and pricing, as well as in-cart promotions, coupon codes and checkout. Where Digital River comes in is during checkout, enabling the right local payment methods, local currency, and calculating local taxes. After an order is submitted, Salesforce will orchestrate fulfillment to the buyer while Digital River processes the payment. In addition to processing payments, Digital River provides valuable global scale and expertise to help you simplify global expansion, localize buyer experiences, minimize fraud and chargebacks, increase authorization rates, collect and remit global taxes, and comply with global regulations. Installing the Digital River app is easy. Visit the Salesforce App Exchange and enter Digital River in the search bar. Once you've found us, click Get It Now to install the app. After you've installed the app, open your Salesforce Lightning App Launcher and find the Digital River app. Configuration is easy and doesn't require heavy IT involvement, so you can start growing your global sales faster. Digital River's developer portal offers a full array of self-service tools and documentation to help you get up and running with ease. Digital River is a must-have extension for your Salesforce B2B store, helping you accelerate global expansion efforts, grow revenue, and protect your business from the complexities and risks of entering new markets. Contact us to activate your Digital River account or to view a demo of this must-have addition to Salesforce B2B Commerce.